Life is the greatest gift. Remember always to believe in yourself and focus. Ignore negativity. Ignore negativity. You know, people always fight good things. Always fight good things. You understand? But the champ is here. You know, no matter of funeral proceedings. No, I trouble, my friend, man. Big up yourself. big up, man. Greatness, man. Greatness, St. Mary Central. Greatness. Greatness.
Alright, I'll show you a picture. Some other picture. A boot of grandfather. The bigger brother. You see the look? See the look? See where you come from? That lady, you know? She very right up there, so she ain't netty.
Yeah, man, we know what you're doing. We know you, man. I know who is this.
I want to put my responsibility.
One champ. Come here, back and come here, sir. People believing on themselves. Believing on themselves. Sometimes we give some people power over us as person and then fail us. You understand? Life is about choice. You understand? The choice you make today will determine your future. You understand? But always remember, anything that you're doing, think about it first. You understand? Think about it. Champ is here, man. I'm there. Funeral? Yeah.
Just left out home or something.
Just left from Spain?
Where are you going? Mom. I know today your birthday. Remember I said tour band march, you know, so I can't today your birthday. Yeah? So you go like your birthday, you know, go like for me. So what am I going? So now they just go check my pipes.
Yeah.
Over my funeral.
Alright, man, so far.
Yo, boy.
Them can't stop greatness, you know. Greatness is inevitable. You can't stop it. The truth is like the sun, you know. No matter what clouds may cloud it up, it always comes out back. And even brighter. You understand? People fear who they can't conquer. You understand? Life is about changes. And if things don't change, it's always really be stagnant.
And he look for me. I say, as I'm here, and he look up me up and boy. And he look at me and say, sorry man, but I'm back in the day.
You can't kick out my country. You can't have politics. You're a killer man.
And the same year, the same man cut up a brother and see him from Grandstone, but I mean, a 75 stitches. The man get up and put my hand 75 stitches. The man get up and put my 75 stitches. The man in the sea and the
Stand up for your rights when you hear the bell. Stand up, Jamaica, hear the freedom bell. Remember Bustamante, serve us well. Stand up, Jamaica, when you hear the bell. Show all you have a right. Surely you're right.
Only for my mother side.
Greatness and prosperity for everybody, man.
One little piece and one little
Greatness and prosperity for everyone. We already have time. Time, everybody have time. All of us time. Time is accessible to everybody. We all have time. But we want the people to have prosperity, greatness, and growth. Better life. Better everything. You understand? Time. Time for what? Time is free, man. If all of us have the same 24 hours. Time. Welcome, my boss. Thing good? Greatness to them, my friend. Big up your damn self.
Great boss. My brother.
People, you see, the first thing we do in life, anything you start doing in life, you're going to find that a lot of people will be jealous of what you're doing. It just comes like back in the days when you have an idea and you love the idea, and then before you start doing the idea, a lot of us like a second opinion on our ideas, and we go to the closest friends when we have our ideas, and 90% of the friends that we went to or go to share ideas with, they show us a more hypocritical answer and in a more jealous form. But if we did as person, and these great leaders and great inventors of this world had listened to negativity and jealous comments, we would not have this world today. Because I can show that the person who create phones, cars, and all these things that make life easier today, they got fight. Remember that KFC, the man that owned KFC, he got a lot of turn down in his time, applied for a lot of loans I read, and they turned him down. And today KFC is one of the most, what you would say, the most striving business. And if the colonel had listened to negativity, a lot of us here even in Jamaica wouldn't have a job, because KFC provide jobs, a lot of jobs to Jamaica and to the worldwide society. Fight is inevitable. Fight is inevitable. People will fight you. People will make negative comments about you. They did it to Jesus. They did it to all the great men. Marcus Garvey. The person on the money today, Nani, Paul Bogle, all those persons they used to ridicule them, put them down, call them criminals, and today they are on the money as heroes. So you don't listen to people. People. Maybe they have similar idea and never have the courage to take on to act on their dream. So when you as a person or a person of that maybe they undermine and see you stepped out as a young man or a young woman of society and go for your dreams, it creates a sense of hate in them. You understand? And you cannot run from that also, because all of those things are this. Remember that we were born in sin, as the Bible said, born in sin and shaping in iniquity. And remember that hate. And remember that hate do not just happen. hate, crime, all these evilous words and evilous things are coming from way in creation. But it's time for us to really find our true potential as persons, as people, and contribute to society significantly, so our next generation can enjoy and have life much easier. Because one of the things that we do not focus on. How are you doing, my friend? Greatness in them. One of the things that we do not pay attention to is our youths. And in paying attention to our youths, that will break a lot of generational curse, a lot of poverty. Because if the youths of today society, and you let them get marketable from their young age, marketable, educated, have the relevant stuff, they will become some great men and women for tomorrow. So it's not like you're building the future. So you have to build it, the youngsters, the youth, because the youths is the future, and we cannot run from that. Most of us are in our 40s, 50s. We live a lot of lives already. A lot of people passed away, but we have to create a formula. We have to create a formula that can make the youths attractive.
Sometimes